Hi guys, welcome to Annoyed Tech Man. Today I'll be going through an issue faced by a lot of users on this team, in which they are not able to pause the downloadable content while playing the game. So what happens is the update keeps on running while you're playing an online game, and that sort of messes up your pings and everything else. So today I'll be showing you how you can fix that issue. So it's just very simple. You just have to go to your game list, the game that is messing around. For example, I normally face this issue with Dota2, so I'll just click on view downloadable content and check all the options here. Normally it's just reborn here. You need to check all the options here. For example, let me just uncheck this. It will probably be like this for you, but you just check all the options here, and after checking all the options, it'll probably start an update here, but you just have to come back here and pause it again. After pausing the updates, you can easily run your game without the updates running in your background. So it worked for me, and hopefully it will work for you as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If this helps and solves your problem, please subscribe to my channel. Cheers, take care.